Welcome to our video dedicated to the vibrant and expressive works of Ernst Ludwig Kirchner, one of the leading figures of German Expressionism and a founding member of the influential artist group Die Brücke. Known for his bold colors, dynamic compositions, and emotional intensity, Kirchner's art offers a fascinating glimpse into the complexities of modern life, from the bustling streets of Berlin to the serenity of the Swiss Alps. In this video, we invite you to explore some of his most beautiful and iconic paintings, each a testament to his unique vision and powerful artistic voice.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.